Hello everyone. So today I'll be showing you guys how to shorten the length of your braids without necessarily cutting it off. So this style is called Brarrel braids, and here is how to do it. You just want to grab a one braid, estimate like where you want it to end or how short you want it to be, and you hold it at that point. You flip the braid over and start wrapping upwards. You're wrapping upwards and you're wrapping it tight. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you can just watch the video and you'll get it. So yeah, I'm wrapping upwards, and after wrapping for a bit, I pull it down like that just to compact it and make sure that it's tight. So just keep doing that until you reach the end of the braids. So I know this style is not very trendy right now, but then I had this video, so I just figured that I would share with you guys. Someone out there might see it and find it useful or even just entertaining. So when you reach the end of the braid like this, you want to start wrapping downwards. Just wrapping it downwards and tight as well, because this is where you're securing the hair. If you don't wrap it tight, then it's going to unravel. Some people will wrap and then use rubber band to hold at the end, or use some glue to glue it, like hold it in place, or sew it, but I don't. I just wrap it, palm roll, and that's it. I'm done. So this is the finished look. I've had these braids for about 3 weeks, so that's why it's looking like that in the back. Okay, it's not new. So I've had it for a while, and I decided to switch up the style a bit. I hope you found this video at least entertaining. Like, comment, share, and follow for more. Bye.